Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and I'm back with an A2 size custom drawing for Marcos Madeira. I had to dig out my huge A2 size sketchbook, and by comparing the pencil to the paper, we can see the size of the paper sheet. So Marcos wanted a drawing of Majin Vegeta vs Goku inspired by this scene. It's a great and different pose, and I will keep the idea the same with the poses of both and the aura and blast of Vegeta. Marcos and I decided to change the background, and we will also add some lightning around Vegeta, draw them battle damaged, and of course I will draw this in my style. So now we can check out how this drawing will come to life. It's a big drawing and a long video, so watch the whole video, subscribe if you are new, and I see you in it again. Let's go! Alright guys, last touch and then the A2 size custom drawing of Majin Vegeta vs Goku Super Saiyan 2 for Marcos is done. I think it turned out amazing, very clean, vibrant and even colors. As you can see, I kept the idea of the poses the same. I just drew Goku and Vegeta in my style and way more detailed, as we can see in the reference. And I also drew a mountain background with a blue sky to make it look like the actual fight from the show. So as I said, I'm really happy with how this one turned out, and I think you saw how much work this was. Drawing on an A2 size paper always takes so much time, especially when it's a full colored drawing. Marcos is also very happy with his drawing and he already ordered another one with the same size, and soon you will see here on my channel what's next for him. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will of course upload this in full time on my real-time channel, so you can follow my steps very easy in case you want to draw this yourself. My original drawings and prints are now available on Etsy, and now you can also download the digital version of my drawings, so check out the shop. For commissions, message me on Instagram, and if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in a video just like today. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you on the next